Today we're going to Lara's family's farm. It's in Quatis, it's about 20 minutes away. There's a river there and some waterfalls. We're gonna go swimming in.
Quando as coisas do coração não consegue compreender e a mente não faz questão e nem tem forças pra obedecer. Quantos sonhos já destruí.
This is Lara's family farm. We're heading down to the waterfalls right now.
You're the gringo here.
You're the gringo too.
No, no.
Gringo! Gringo.
Quatis, another place.
Lara said that this used to be a bar run by her uncle, and it would get 500 people down here hanging out by the river and the waterfalls, but it got a little too out of control, so they had to shut it down. But it's really cool down here.
As borboletas voam sobre o meu jardim, são cores vivas, pousam sobre as 11 horas. As rosas claras, violetas e jasmins. Beija-flor traindo a rosa amarela.
This is Lara's grandparents' house. It is massive and really old and amazing. There's really cool things like these old meat grinders everywhere, these old suitcases, some old family pictures. It's beautiful.
Espinho seco, folha-flor, lagarta, pétalas. As flores voam e voltam noutra estação. Só serei flor quando tu flores no verão. Só serei flor quando tu flores no verão. Só serei flor quando
tudo
tu
sobre
flores no
como
verão.
parar de beber. Do que paramos foi de ler. We already read everything about how to stop drinking. Result, we stop reading.
Meu jardim são cores vivas, pousam sobre as 11 horas. As rosas claras, violetas e jasmins. Beija-flor traindo a rosa amarela. Beijou a bela margarida infiel.